welcome back to Random Cubing. Today I'm going to show you 5 easy VLS algorithms. If you didn't know, VLS stands for Valk Last Slot. VLS is where you insert a pair slightly different in order to skip OLO. In this case, we have a pair right here. We have all the edges oriented, and then headlights in the back and a block in the front. This one, you'll just do a U2, and then insert it with a U2. In this case, you'll have a square in the back, and then a block on the front, and a block on the right. There's just a sledgehammer, so R prime F, R F prime. Here is the case I showed in the intro. It's where you have a P shape in the back, and then a block on the right. Here, you will do M prime, and then insert with inverse sexy move with a wide R prime. The next case is where you have this just odd shape where everything is oriented except this corner, and you do not have a block in the front. This, you do a sexy move and then a 3 move insert. Here's the last case I'm going to show you today. It's where you have sort of an arrow in the back and no block on the side. So you do U, and then hide this pair, do a U prime, bring the pair back, which sets it up into a U, and then an R, U2, R prime insert. So those were the 5 easy VLS algorithms for this video. Definitely make sure to let me know in the comment section down below if you want a part 2 of this video. But other than that, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.